Hi, my name is Ada Wells, and I'm a physical therapist, certified Pilates instructor, and owner of ProBalance Physical Therapy, Pilates, and Sports Rehabilitation in Alameda, California. What I'm going to do today is talk to you about how you can utilize 4 simple posture tricks that will make you look like you've lost 10 pounds in less than 5 seconds. If you can integrate these tricks into your normal exercise routine and into your daily activities, you're going to look better and feel more confident. Let's go ahead and get started. The first trick is actually achieving a pelvis neutral position. I'll show you this in a moment. The second trick is actually opening the collarbones. Third trick is keeping the shoulder blades back and down. And the fourth trick is elongating the back of the neck. So let's go ahead and take a look at bad posture, and we'll apply each one of these tricks. So if I were to relax out of my posture, my abdominal muscles are totally relaxed. I'm just letting my body go where gravity takes it. This is where I'm at. This is not a good position. So to find pelvis neutral, if you take the heels of your hand, place them on your pelvis, you'll find that they'll make a little triangle on your abdomen. So I want you to sort of feel how, I want you to lift that triangle, aim towards the floor, and then actually tighten your abdominals and see how by flattening your back, you can actually now make that triangle aim towards the ceiling. Now that's a little bit too much, so we want to back off of that about halfway or so. So you do still have some muscle contraction in your abdominals, but now actually that triangle is even to the wall in front of you. That's a pelvis neutral position, and that actually puts the right amount of curve in your low back. The second component of the second trick is opening the collarbones. So it's not about sticking the chest out, which of course makes us lose our pelvic neutral position. It's basically just opening the collarbones. Third thing is making sure your shoulder blades are back and down. If the shoulder blades are riding up, everything comes forward, so keep those shoulder blades back and down. And the last component is actually making sure that you elongate the back of your neck. If the head is forward, imagine you have a string attached onto the top of your head and pull up towards the ceiling. You're wanting to elongate this back part of the neck, not the front part of the neck. Okay, so basically if you've done that, what you'll find is that your ears are over your shoulders or over your hips or over your ankles. This is what it means to be in good posture. If I go ahead and let everything relax, there we go. Notice that I've gained my 10 pounds, and I'm not looking as comfortable. So once again, really quickly, pelvis neutral, open collarbones, shoulder blades back and down, elongating the back of the neck. That's our good posture. So for more information on posture programs or other physical therapy or Pilates programs, go ahead and log on to www.probalancept.com. Thanks for your time.